Hey, what's up, XRP coin holder? What's going on? Congratulations, my brothers. To this time, XRP price will pumps up, and this is really, my friend, nice to check out. You can see here this time. This video is very important for all of you because I have something very safe, special information for all of you now. So, my friend, first of all, as you can see, I am going to show you the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 7 day change occurring. So here, as you can see, my friend, everything now, my friend, you can see here 1.21% the price is pump up in last 1 hour, but in last 24 hours the prices fails down. I'm really sorry, my friend, this is now for that. Therefore all crypto markets fails down from tomorrow, my friends. In last 24 hours all crypto markets fails down, not just unique, XRP, Cardano, Shiba, and my friend Dogecoin. Shiba is not fails down, otherwise all cryptocurrency were fails down. So therefore please hold this. This does not mean to you are starting selling. You will need to hold down. I hope, my friend, if you are hold, so XRP will give you a very good profit. Let's predicate this coin, my friend, but please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. XRP price will increasing. You can see here in last 3 days, my plus 3.35%, but this is the average, my friend. As you can see here, so in last 24 hours they were very badly falls down, but just in only in the start of these 3 days they will pump up. So therefore, as you can see here, the resistance line is come out here. So my friend, sorry, they here, not here. So therefore, my friend, as you can see here, they were a lot of time pumps off, and the total average is come out. You can see here positive now. So please hold it. Does not mean to you are starting selling if they were fails down for a short time, because this is temporary fails. Sometimes they were very badly fails down. Sometimes they were very badly, my friends. Sometimes they were very goodly, nicely moving upwards. So therefore, please try to understand. To if you are long time investor, then invest, then wait for long time. And if you are short time investor, then urgently sell when they will pumps up. Thanks for watching XRP coin holder. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.